independent candidate from Maulai constituency, Ba Saibor Lang Lingdo Nonglai, stated that he fully trusts the wisdom of the people of Maulai in deciding whom to send to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council this time. Speaking to the media after casting his vote on February 21, 2025, Ba Saibor said that the decision rests entirely with the people to choose and determine who will represent them in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
Nomor 4 ba Maulai di Pastan. Nomor silent vote kamu no like sanhajar kaba. Hakti 4 ba ummi sekirali ummi sekijilang 4 ba jang no kim command platform. Dan orang baik mentate kade ka silent vote kaban pentingna yanu tong bagi mon 4 ba. Te ngai lede tengam no berkop kanono kom. Tengah bu ya de ka song ba hakti 4 ba hi. Yanu yau tau ba job te ta hi bagi 4 ba kimon.